Good morning and happy August 8th. We are back at the beach. It's not focusing, that's annoying. Yeah, we got in probably like 9:30 last night. Disney was awesome. My parents are running to the store. Looks like the car's gone, so they ran to the store to get some stuff for my sister. And yeah, I have a cup of coffee inside. We've just been chilling, watching some football movie. Got up probably 9:15ish. Fell asleep pretty much right after I got out of the shower last night. Like I talked to you for probably like 10 minutes and then just laid down. Yeah. Favorite ride that I did while I was in Disney was probably, okay, yesterday my favorite ride was Toy Story Mania, hands down. Magic. I don't know, I could have a pick. Like, I love pretty much everything there. Splash Mountain I cannot stand. I don't know why every time we go I fight them on it, but they always get a fast pass for it, so I have to go on. Yeah, so I don't know. Magic, I don't know if I'll ever be able to pick a favorite from that, but I think the least annoying line from Magic was probably Pirates of the Caribbean Part 2, because that was like a 20-minute wait. There was nobody out and about at that point. Everybody was sort of headed towards Fantasyland Main Street because you were getting close to fireworks. Yeah. So that was the least annoying line. I think least annoying line yesterday was for the Frozen sing-along, because we were actually there like 2 minutes late, and they just let us in through a side door so we wouldn't disturb anybody. Oh yeah, that was the least annoying line because we didn't have to wait in line. Yeah, I'm just chilling on the balcony. I'm just gonna show you my view right now because I'm obsessed with this stupid place. Yeah, look at that. I cannot believe I get to wake up to this. Like, how, and I just noticed those buildings in the distance over there while I was drinking coffee. Like, I have no idea what that is. It's not Tampa. Tampa's like an hour away. But like, how insanely beautiful is all of this. And my mom thinks she saw a dolphin over there earlier because that happens all the time. Not sure where the bay and the ocean connect, but it happens all the time. Yeah, and then there's the parking lot. Okay, so yeah, we're just chilling. I'm gonna go drink more coffee, get dressed. When I say get dressed, I mean put a bathing suit on, deal with his hair. So I was too tired to even consider drying it last night. Yeah. So bright out here. Alright, anyway. You know, I'm gonna show you my ring that I got now that there's decent lighting. Lighting in here isn't great, but better than one random light being on. Okay, so it's okay, so the jewels are rubies, and then it's obviously Mickey ears, I'm pretty sure that star is from Peter Pan. And it's super cute. The original one I saw, the Mickey was a lot bigger, and then there was just like a heart. And I like that one because it's more subtle. Like, yes, that's obviously Mickey ears, but they're small. And the star could be, like, I'm not even 100% sure it's supposed to be from Peter Pan. I'd like to think it is, but you never know. Yeah, so I'm gonna go drink more coffee. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, so I'm pretty much ready to go downstairs. I'm wearing this navy blue bikini from Land's End today. And then the cover up I'm wearing all week is from Pink. Yeah. I'm just waiting to get into the bathroom so I can brush my teeth. My parents are outside dealing with sunscreen and stuff. Okay. That's what's going on. Today I am reading One Small Thing by Aaron Watt. Hope it's good. The book I read the other day, We Were Liars, was pretty great. Yeah. That's what's going on. Hello. It's about 5 o'clock. I just got back up from the pool beach, and I'm gonna hop in the shower in a second. Just attempting to take my hair out with one hand. Yeah, so we had lunch around 1. We're up here for probably about an hour and went back down. Yes. Cool. I think we decided on a Asian fusion taki place for, tapas. So, whatever. Asian fusion tapas for dinner, probably. Yeah, I'm just gonna hop in the shower once I've raked all of the chlorine out. By that, I mean detangled. I finished the book because I read at bizarre speeds. Super good. If you think your parents are strict, you have nothing on this main character. Her parents took down her bedroom door because she defended someone from a bully. And then they also took her college applications out of the mailbox, which I'm pretty sure is illegal, by the way. Because if she's going to school, and if it's going to be the local community college, and she doesn't have any say in that. So yeah, hair has been brushed out. I'm just going to hit the shower. Talk to you later. I'm thinking about bringing you guys on the beach for a little bit. Hello. It is many hours later. I think it's about 8 o'clock. We just got back from dinner. We didn't end up going to the tapas place. Apparently my sister didn't see anything on the menu she liked. So we went to this little seafood place we knew we all liked. And yeah, we just came upstairs to get changed. I'm wearing this really old tank top and these really old shorts that are both from Arrow, I think. I genuinely think this outfit was purchased for a trip here that happened like 5-6 years ago. Yeah, we're gonna go for a walk on the beach, and we were all kind of fancily dressed. So we were like, I don't want to get this sandal up on this. Also, I was wearing a dress, and it's real breezy down there, so I'm like, yeah. I also took off all my face makeup because my mom was like, it doesn't look good. Got it up in my head, but I left my eyes. And I reapplied mascara because I did that this morning. Okay, I did like my brows and my mascara. And I showered. I didn't reapply it when I was doing the rest of my face. Yeah. Also, in case you care, that's what the ring looks like on. It is a little small for me, and I don't know how to fix that. It's like too big for my pinky, it's a little too small for my ring fingers, and then it doesn't go over the knuckle on any of my other ring fingers. So yeah, we're gonna go out for a walk, and I will probably film some down there just because it's gorgeous and you need to see this beach in person. It's like 10:30. I've just been hanging out watching TV for a couple hours. Pretty much everyone else has gone to bed. I think my mom's like getting ready to do that right now. I'm just hanging out in the living room. I'm probably gonna start getting ready for bed in a few minutes. We were talking about going to the aquarium tomorrow, but I don't know if we actually are. Yeah, I'm super tired and it just kind of slapped me in the face. So I'm gonna just go ahead and end the video here. I'll see you same place, same time tomorrow. Good night, everyone.